Want to feel your best? Want to look your best?
Diane uses not only hypnosis, but NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, to help you uncover and release the blocks that have kept you from achieving your ideal weight and manage your health.
This is a 6-week course that meets online Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time.
Diane has developed and has been using cutting-edge techniques to help people lose weight and eat healthy for 25 years. She has discovered processes that make it natural, fun, and automatic to achieve and maintain your ideal weight and to stick to healthy eating habits.
Subjects include overcoming self-sabotage, releasing blocks, brain shifting, impulse control, connecting to your ideal self, staying on your path, and more. Entire cost for all 6 sessions is $170. Sessions will be available on MP3 if you missed a class. This popular course tends to fill up, so please sign up soon.
Please call or text Diane at 407-538-7614
or visit her website at dianeross.com for more details. How good do you want to feel?